Welcome to all. I have showcased multiple ways to work on selections. I told you one thing. The cell lasso tool and polygon lasso tool is a good tool for selection. You can cut any images. And layer mask is very good one. I showcase multiple ways you can mask the layers and work on black and white. You can make amazing images. I showcase color balance levels and hue and saturation. You can do the color change and everything after the selection. So selection is very important, and you need to understand layer selections are the backbones of Photoshop, and understand the selection thoroughly. And quick selection also good tool, but I told you clearly the polygon lasso tool and also best for selection. And I'm not taken pen tool editing. I just show an example of vector mask. But pen tool, you can multiple editing you can do. If you want shaped up of geometrical shapes to cut, the best tool is pen tool. Then after the pen tool, you can convert as a mask. That vector mask you can use it as. So thank you for watching this. I will upload all the files. What are the files I used here? Upload in one folder, download it and practice it. Thank you for watching. The practice is important for Photoshop. Okay. Thank you for all.